get ready for the most gravity-defying event of the year. The 4th Annual Thunderbird Drone Festival is coming to Tulsa, Oklahoma on October 4th and 5th. Prepare to be amazed by breathtaking films and innovative perspectives from the most talented drone pilots across the globe. Experience an incredible 100-drone light show. Immerse yourself in the world of drones on Drone Day. Engage with industry-leading experts who will unveil the latest drone technology and showcase its limitless potential. Get your heart racing with the Sky High Shootout, where FPV drones race through challenging obstacles, delivering a pulse-pounding experience like no other. Join us at the Thunderbird Drone Festival, October 4th and 5th in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Visit ThunderbirdDroneFestival.com to purchase tickets today. Presented by Oklahoma State University OAIRE and Oklahoma Department of Aerospace and Aeronautics.